This is a room tour of Junior Suite 9648 on Liberty of the Seas. As we come into the room, you can see we have a nice sitting area, and then the bed and the sofa. And then in the entryway, we have the closet on one side and the bathroom on the other side. The muster station is C20, and you can see we're right here on the end of the bump out for the ship. All right, let's go and start in the bathroom. We've got a nice sink, and there is storage on each side of the mirror, and then plenty of towels. Because this is a junior suite, it does have a full bathtub with a shower. The shower head is adjustable, and we have the Salt and Breeze amenities. So you have shampoo, conditioner, and soap there. Okay. And there's also bar soap. And then on the side of the mirror, there is the shelving from this door that opens out. Okay, as we go across the entryway, we have the walk-in closet, which is really nice. So plenty of shelves and plenty of hanging space and plenty of hangers. As we come over here, we have the desk and storage area. Again, a lot of space. Lots of shelving here. A small safe. You can see it's pretty small, but it gets the job done. Then over here by the desk, you have the hair dryer. Oops. Top drawer, you have the hair dryer. It looks better than most. At least it's not the old kind where you had to hold the button down. Okay. There's, again, drawers on each side of the desk. There's lights around the large mirror, and there is also extra storage on each side of the mirror. Right. Then you have a small TV, and you have the Lavazza coffee maker. Has the little Lavazza pods that go in up here to make your coffee. And then underneath here is the cooler. It's not a complete refrigerator, but it does keep things cool. As far as plugs in the room, there's 2 plugs right here. And then on the other side of the mirror, there is a European plug. All right. Then we have the bed. It's a Royal King bed. It can be separated into 2 twins. And then we have a chair and footstool. There's a little table over here. It's always good to move the coffee maker over there just to create a little extra room. And then the sofa with a little table. But the best part of the room is the balcony. And again, we're on the bump out, so we have a really large balcony. Okay. So on our balcony, there is a table with 2 chairs. There's room for a lounger, but there is no lounger here. But there is plenty of room that they could put one out here. And then we'll look back in the room from the balcony. See the overall layout of the room. Always a great room in a junior suite. Lots of storage, And the bump out balcony is especially nice because you just have the extra room on the balcony. It's not so cramped. We're in Fort Lauderdale today. Again, this is Liberty of the Seas. We are in Junior Suite 9648.